Good afternoon, Kasturi Jogi. Where are others? Come fast. Good afternoon, Elise. Good afternoon, Santosh. Good afternoon, Suraj Paswan. Good afternoon, Narayan. Good afternoon, Sahil Singh, Riya Singh, Aniket Tiwari, Samruddhi Anushka, Nirmay Sable, Jayant Bala. Good afternoon to all of you, Janvi, Kalapati. Good afternoon to all of you. Okay, we already started the lesson measurement. Okay, till now what we studied? Till now we studied that measurement is dash of physical quantity with dash physical quantity. You have to give answer. This I will write here. You give the answer because we already studied that. Okay. Measurement is comparison of dash physical quantity with dash physical quantity. This we already studied, so I expect answer from you. Very simple question. We already studied. Measurement is comparison of dash physical quantity with dash physical quantity of dash kind. Okay, give answer one by one. Yes, Shardul. Yes, first answer is given by Kalapati. Very good. Unknown physical quantity with the known fixed physical quantity. Second correct answer is given by Samruddhi Gaurkar. Third correct answer is no one has given. So whatever Kalapati wrote and whatever Samruddhi Gaurkar wrote, it is very correct. Janvi gave third correct answer. Okay, I agree with you that it is the comparison of unknown quantity with a known fixed quantity. Okay, this we already studied. For example, suppose this is the line AB of unknown quantity. We want to find the length. We want to find the length of this line AB. So it is the unknown physical quantity. Now what we have done? We compare it with known physical quantity. For example, this is a ruler and here on one side there are inches mark and on another side centimeter. So 1 inch is equal to 2.4 centimeter. This we already know. We already studied in lower classes. Okay. So what we are doing? We are comparing it with 1 centimeter. So this is the unknown physical quantity. This is the known physical quantity 1 centimeter. Okay. So after comparing with the known physical quantity, what we found it is how many centimeter? 30 plus 21. It is 51 centimeter. So this is unknown fixed quantity. This is unknown fixed quantity that is centimeter. Okay, and this is number. So any measurement of a physical quantity it consists of two parts, number and unknown fixed quantity that we call it as a unit. Number and unit. We are comparing this unknown physical quantity, that is length, with the 1 centimeter. We got the result. It is 51 times 1 centimeter. Okay. So 1 centimeter is repeated 51 times here. Okay. So we will find it is. This is how we are measuring any physical quantity. So this is for the length. So what you told very correct, that measurement is comparison of unknown physical quantity. Let it may be length, mass, time, temperature, current, okay, or amount of substance, or luminous intensity, whatever it may be. But it is the comparison of unknown quantity with the known quantity known as unit. Okay, so what you told very correct, that is unknown physical quantity with the fixed known fixed physical quantity of dash time. Of dash time is what? Now here length, which physical quantity is there? Length. So we will compare it with the fixed physical quantity length. Suppose it is mass, we will compare it with the fixed physical quantity 1 h. Suppose it is time, we will compare with the fixed physical quantity 1 second. Suppose it is length, mass, time, temperature, we will compare it with physical quantity Kelvin. Suppose it is current, we will compare with the physical quantity ampere. Okay. Suppose it is luminous intensity, we will compare it with the physical quantity candela, isn't it? So it is the comparison of unknown physical quantity with fixed physical quantity of what will come here? Same time. Of same time. Okay, so this we already studied. Then we also studied that in ancient time people they used different body parts for measurement. Okay, but whether there was some problem, because for each and every person body part, the length of the body part, it may be long or it may be short. Okay, it will vary from person to person. Okay, so what body parts that we already studied in ancient time we use to measure the physical quantity? For example, thumb. Okay, thumb, that is known as angul. For example, forefinger. Okay, forefinger. For example, cubit. From here to the tip of the middle finger. The length from the center of the elbow to the tip of the finger. That is cubit. Then forearm. If I stretch my both the hands like this, from the tip of the middle finger on left hand and tip of the middle finger on the right hand, this length, it is called forearm. Then this and span. Then like this foot. Okay. Then while we walk, the distance between the two legs, the foot of the two legs, that is called pace. Then one more is there. This is muthi. Fist. All they used to measure. Okay. Then is from the center of the nose to the tip of the middle finger of my hand, the distance it is yard. So we will find that now here this measurement is comparison. Okay. Now if we will compare with these body parts, it will differ from person to person. Okay. For example, if I will measure the length of the scale, so one handspan plus four finger plus two finger. So total six fingers. One handspan and six fingers. But if you will measure, it will come smaller than me. If your friend will measure, it will show some other result. Okay. So that problem was created and that problem was solved in 1960. Now you put the answer by SI unit. SI unit. What is full form of this SI unit? Give answer. What is full form of this SI unit? Yes. Give answer. What is full form of SI unit? In 1960, to have the uniform measurement throughout the world, scientists they sat together and they made SI unit for each and every fundamental physical quantity. What is that? Yes, Elias gave very correct answer. Very good, Elias. Good, beta. Keep it up. Then Santosh gave correct answer. Very good. Very good. International standard of unit. International standard of unit. Okay, for all physical quantity. Okay, what are the different physical quantities? Fundamental physical quantities. There are 7 different fundamental physical quantities. So for all these fundamental physical quantities, these scientists they sat together and they determined what their standard, international standard of unit. Okay, for example, for length, for this physical quantity, they decided meter will be the SI unit. Or we compare whether it may be then 100 meter, 1000 meter, whatever it may be. But all will compare with the okay. Then afterwards, multiple and sub-multiple of SI units were discovered. Then what are the, if you write down what are the fundamental quantities? Write down fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantity. 7 are there, that is length, mass, time, temperature, luminous intensity, this you write down, and amount of substance, then mass, time, temperature, luminous intensity, amount of substance and current. Okay, these are the fundamental quantity. Their symbol while we write For length we use L. For mass M. For time S. T. For temperature small t. For luminous intensity we will find that for luminous intensity we use LV. Then amount of substance, for amount of substance N, and for current L. Okay, these are their symbols. You write down them. Write down, because these are the physical fundamental quantities whose standard units were decided. Okay, and now throughout the world we are comparing with these the standard unit of this fundamental quantity by measurement. Of course, multiple and submultiple of these units they are found out to for our convenience. Write down in your notebook. Then what are the SI unit of this? SI unit of length. SI unit of length, it is meter. Mass, kilogram. Time, second. Temperature, Kelvin. Luminous intensity, candela. Okay, amount of substance, mole. Mole. And current, ampere. So we will find current, ampere. So all these are the SI unit of fundamental quantity. All these are the SI unit of fundamental quantity. So their symbol, what is their symbol? For current A, for length meter M, for mass Ag, for time second, for temperature Kelvin, for luminous intensity Candela, for amount of substance mole, amount of substance mole. N. Okay, so we will find all these fundamental quantities, their SI units were found out. Okay. Now whatever the other units are there, that is derived unit. They are derived from this fundamental unit. Okay. Lot of sound is there going on. Now, for example, is all fundamental quantities. Now we know that length, mass, time, temperature, current, okay, amount of substance, luminous intensity. Okay, now suppose we know that volume is equal to volume. How do we derive that? So get simplified immediately derived from this. From any derived quantity, we will find we can derive any unit from this fundamental unit. Okay. Then measuring the length, page number we will find in textbook, page number 145. We will find there is the method to measure the length. Measure the length accurately. To measure the length accurately, what we have to do? First of all, suppose this length you have to measure. Are you going to keep the scale here? Are you going to keep the scale here to measure this length? Bones. Sudhir Kirwai, what happened? Here, why are you asking about bones now in this measurement? Sunil Kirwai. So, very correct answer, no. That is, it is already given in your textbook, you know that I am measuring the length. Don't keep the scale like this, that is also wrong way. Then are you going to keep the scale like this? Yes or no? Picture is given in your textbook. Are you going to keep the scale like this while measuring the length? Yes or no? Yes, Santosh gave correct answer. Elias gave correct answer. Bidwai gave correct answer. No. Are you going to keep all along the length of the line like this? Okay. Yes or no? Are you going to keep all along the length of the line? Yes. Very good. Who is that? Tripathi gave correct answer. Janvi gave correct answer. So we will find first step is that keep the scale what? All along the line, very close, touching it. Don't keep it like this or don't keep it like this. Okay, now suppose the scale is broken from this side. It is broken from this side up to the 2 centimeter. What will do? Will you start from the broken side here? Will you start measuring from the broken side? Yes or no? Will you start measuring from broken side? Sushil Tripathi gave correct answer. No, we will not start from the broken side. What we will do? Suppose it is broken till 2 centimeter here. So we will do that. We will not start. We will start from which centimeter? Next point, 3rd centimeter. Because it is already broken till 2nd centimeter. So we will start from 3rd centimeter. Okay. From 3rd centimeter we started. So it is now here 30. Again from here 3rd centimeter we started 56 centimeter. Okay, it is coming 56 centimeter, but we started from which centimeter? 3rd centimeter. So how many? What we will do? 56 centimeter minus 3 centimeter is equal to 53 centimeter. Because we started, this part was broken, so what we have done, we left that broken part and we started from the other part. Okay, that's why we will deduct that when we take the final result. Okay, so we started from the 3rd centimeter, so we deducted, subtracted from the final result you subtracted 3 centimeters. So we get the length. Sometimes it happens that the scale is broken. So what to do at that time? Then while measuring, are you going to see from this side or from right side, or are you going to see getting 90-degree angle with the starting point and with the ending point? What is the correct way? The correct way is C straight, making 90-degree angle with the starting and ending point. Okay. So second point is always see vertically making 90-degree angle with starting point and ending point of the measurement. Okay, then only you will get the correct measurement, otherwise some errors may be there. Okay, this it is already given in your textbook, page number 145. It is given what precautions we have to take while measuring the length. While measuring the length, any we will find instrument you are using, for measuring the length. Ruler it is used. If you go to tailor, he is using tape, which is flexible. He will take the measurement of your collar. He will take the length of your shirt. Then he will take the wrist. So flexible tape is there, isn't it? That my chest also he will take and he will note down chest also. Okay, so that this cannot work for tailor. Okay, and if you go to purchase the cloth, then there you will find meter scale is there. Okay, 1 meter, 2 meter, how much cloth you want? 3 meter, so you will measure and you will give. Okay, so this ruler generally we are using. We will find that this is the correct method of measuring the length. First of all, keep the scale all along the length of the thing which we want to measure. Then second thing, while the starting point, seeing the starting point and the ending point, see vertically making 90-degree angle. Don't see from here, don't see from left side or right side, but making 90-degree angle on starting and ending point. And if the scale is broken, leave that part. Okay. And whatever you left, subtract it from the final result. So this is the way to measure the length. Okay, now Bharti madam's period is there, so I will stop.